is Suhaylah Hamilton, and I'm 7 years old, and I am in Indianapolis, Indiana. My mommy snores. She says she doesn't, but she does. She snores so loud sometimes, she sounds like a piggy. She tries to blame it on my grandpa, but I know it's her. My grandpa snores like this. But my mommy snores like this. Maybe next time I record her.